Good morning from Grand Valley Farm. It's May 19th, 2025, and it's about 9:15 in the morning, and it's about 46 degrees. A little cold out here. It's cloudy, and a little blue in the sky right there. Mainly clouds, though. As the weather says, a chance of rain. Yeah, maybe not. Anyway, it's Monday, so got a few things to do before Memorial Weekend, which is coming up this week. Well, all the animals are taken care of for now. Come back down and check on them a little while. I have to add some water for the pigs.